We've explored how artificial intelligence reshapes the landscape of work. Now, the focus shifts to the practical skills you can build to stay valuable and adaptable in this new reality. This is Section 4, What to Build. We are mapping out a 4-part stack for the modern professional: AI literacy as your baseline, the human skills AI can't replace, the meta skill of learning how to learn, and the craft of working alongside AI. Future-proofing a career requires layering these 4 specific capabilities together rather than relying on existing knowledge alone. We begin with the foundation: AI literacy. AI literacy means understanding these tools well enough to use them effectively, judge their outputs critically, and recognize their limits. It requires no coding or software engineering, only the ability to direct the tools and verify the results. This is becoming a baseline requirement because AI is moving into every field. Just as basic computer skills became an expectation for almost every job, AI fluency is following the same path. By 2026, many organizations will expect new hires to have these skills on day one. You can practice this immediately. Open a chatbot and enter this prompt: "I want to work in insert your field. Suggest 5 free ways I could start building useful AI-related skills for that field over the next month, and explain why each one matters." You'll likely get a mix of helpful steps and generic fluff. This is where you practice the verify, don't trust habit by filtering out the weak suggestions and keeping only the ideas that actually help you grow. Building this technical fluency empowers you to direct AI tools effectively, ensuring you remain the driver rather than a passenger in your own workflow. The second layer of the stack involves the human skills AI struggles to replicate. These are durable skills, capabilities that remain valuable regardless of which software tools rise or fall in the coming years. Critical thinking and creativity are at the top of this list. While AI can remix patterns, people must weigh those options against real-world consequences and provide the original framing that makes a project meaningful. Emotional intelligence and adaptability are equally vital. AI can imitate caring language, but it cannot build trust, navigate complex team conflicts, or stay steady when conditions change rapidly. Many assume the future belongs exclusively to programmers. In reality, the most valuable professionals combine AI fluency with strong human judgment. Long-term career security relies on cultivating the inherently human traits that machines cannot simulate. The third layer is the meta skill, mastering the process of continuous education. In an AI-driven world, specific tools become obsolete quickly. A system you master today might be replaced in just a few years. Lifelong learning is the survival mechanism for this environment. It is the ability to independently teach yourself the next emerging tool as soon as it arrives. You can use AI to accelerate this process. Chatbots can act as tutors, explaining hard concepts in different ways, creating custom quizzes, or mapping out step-by-step learning plans for a new skill. The most indispensable professionals are those who maintain the curiosity and the systems to learn faster than the tools change. Finally, we reach the operational layer: human-AI collaboration. Working effectively with AI is a learnable craft that determines whether your output is mediocre or exceptionally useful. Skilled users follow 4 habits. First, ask clearly by providing specific context. Second, treat the AI's initial response as a draft. Third, keep the judgment for yourself, retaining responsibility for final decisions. Fourth, iterate back and forth to improve weak answers. These habits transform you from a passive user into a director of AI's capabilities. This complete toolkit, AI literacy, durable human skills, lifelong learning, and active collaboration, provides a clear path forward. By delegating routine tasks to software, you focus your energy on the traits that make you most valuable: your curiosity, judgment, and ability to adapt. By mastering this skill stack, you transition from simply observing the AI revolution to actively commanding it.